finally this works now. Let's just roast this. Riley, y'all can hear my voice. Hello, I love y'all already.
We trust you. We know you ain't gonna do
Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you love your mom. If you don't like to subscribe, I'm not going to say you don't love your mom. It's still going to be if you love your mom. And my wishes. Who's there? Who's there? And why are you smoking? He probably smoking, bro. And 2 counts already. What did I get? This was fucking Uber. Oh my god! Frankie ruined my life. She cried too much. Too retarded.
Right now, Wawa Pizza is just $7.99. When you order and pay in the
The heck did they do to the hospital? They did not me to the hospital. And oh my god! To the hospital. You are the dumbest one.
Some of us go for the dramatic.
How did I know we were infinities in
Stop crying too much. It's okay. It's just going to take 5 days. Please. Never mind, just keep flicking Jeff forever. I don't care. Oh my god, Candace, stop!
That bitch said, what? That shit went from about 200 to 11.
Everyone's crying. Oh, except for Flippy. Looks like he's not going to be in jail. Oh, yes, baby. It's not crying. Oh, yeah, I forgot. That baby. Here we go again. Guys, I'm just going to speed this up so just don't mind it. Oh my god, I'm so too long.
Music and shooting and shit at each other, and that's all they damn do.
Dude, it's like every time. Too much cringe. You're actually the cringiest one here, actually. Not Flippy. So you need to shut up. Oh, yeah. It's his life, duh.
Lot of gold teeth in this bitch.
If you keep crying, it's gonna mess him up. Don't cry too much. Oh. His face. It's yummy disco bear.
Yeah.
Ew, disgusting. still fish and don't know what fishing means. They need to learn.
Y'all know that shit. Rap that shit then, ladies. 1, 2, 3.
Was that a killing whale?
5 or 6 best friends.
I'm sorry, guys, that I just referenced to SNL. Yes, my favorite character is Cody Jr., Joseph, and Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Oh, everyone's there! Oh my God!
You gotta get Trina her credit. She was the first city girl. These young Trina was the first one to only
This is how you end up skate on me! Whoever knows Queasy, I'm just gonna say his line for just.
Trina was the first city girl.
What on those Yeezys?
Where the baby at? Right there at the gate. I want to see the baby.
Oh my God, turn that TV on!
I'll make everybody in here sing Baby Shark till she goes
This
to
TV
sleep.
should not be on! Why are you recording that? This
You know
video!
when your baby come out when you got company. Go
Guys,
back
just
in the
ignore
back.
it.
See you in the minute. I'm over here smoking.
No, fine, I'm doing it in the room. I don't care anymore.
You was a pretty girl. You don't know where you are right now.
Alright, guys, I'm in the room. Phew, I thought I was going to sleep. Oh, hold up. The heck you came from? You're actually a killer, too. Bro. Look at everyone. No lower body, no face. Person's face.
Too far, man. How do you sleep at night?
Hey, yo, what did you say? I'm going to skip some of these parts to increase me so. channel. I'm getting angry for every single 5 seconds. And then you stop being stressed out.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Did I just finish through? Who did she? Coming! Coming! Oh, it's just come. Oh my god, what's happening? Don't worry, come. She's Flippy, stop Spice Cub. Give it privacy or you like the others to spy on us. Guys, I'm really mad, okay? Because there's one little 16 years old. It's your fault, Flaky! God just wanted to play. If you would have dragged Flippy this whole time, none of this would have happened. Yes, Flippy. I know I think your dad is a killer. Yes, he might. Yes, he might be a killer. Yes, but I only seen gotcha stuff about it. Hey, guys, you want me to do a Squidward's voice? I'm Bunkerheads. What the shit am I? Skibbity got jet. How about you stop being so skibidi? Anyway. The heck was that sound? Leave club alone! I have skipped some parts. That's it. I'm done. This is my favorite part, so just don't bother me. Bro! Oh my God! Guys, can someone W for Cub? He's basically powerful character in plexpero series. Bro, He needs a raise. And a reward. Ugh, don't show that teeth. Yes, I'm teeth. Nothing freaking new. Whatever. I'm about to just go to more. Oh, yeah. Yes, 3 seconds is already happening. Are you ready, guys? Get started, guys. Bro, you can't even talk. Nobody. How did he know he has money in his hand? First of all. You're scaring me. Everybody, say in the chat the G word. Hey, you the faces eat! I think my butt almost exploded from that voice. Oh, stop it! Oh my god, I can't just... Look, guys. What kind of lumpy is this? Shh. This look more uglier. There's two googly eyes, flippy head, fart head, poopy head, little head, jump head, pony head, cool head, and ugly head, ugliest head I ever seen. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Alright, guys. Now we're just about to. Oh, just leave. Please, bro. Just let me live. Alright, guys. Let's just play Madout City now. Guys, you want to see my cars? Don't see cool cars I have this and this. Also, guys, I managed to make Savage. Against AI. Yes, I want to be against AI. Yes, so good. Yes. Oh my god, I love it. serious? Oh! That definitely destroyed me. Oh my god! Oh! Do not ask me that I did freeze easy sound. God! Oh God! Like what guys is
48 North St. Andrews, Dollar Hood, North St.
Oh, they kill too much. They should. Whoa, Madout City's actually dumb because they should not go. You know what? Whatever. Well, guys, goodbye. I'm just gonna. Oh my. Goodbye.